Is your Acorns Spend account a real bank account? That's a question a lot of you have been asking, and today, we're diving deep to find the answer. You might think, it's a debit card, it has an account number, so of course it's a bank account. But the truth is a bit more nuanced. Acorns Spend is a checking account, but it's not directly a bank. Confusing, right? Here's the deal. Acorns is a financial technology company, and while they handle the front-end user experience, the actual banking services are provided by a partner bank, Lincoln Savings Bank. So, when you deposit money into your Acorns Spend account, it's actually held at Lincoln Savings Bank. This is a common practice in the world of fintech. Companies like Chime, Aspiration, and even Revolut operate on a similar model. They build the cool app and the user-friendly interface, while a traditional bank holds the deposits and manages the regulatory side of things. So what does this mean for you? Well, the most important thing is that your money is safe. Because Lincoln Savings Bank is a member of the FDIC, or the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, your funds are insured up to the standard maximum of $250,000 per depositor. This is the same level of protection you'd get at any major bank like Chase or Bank of America. This also means that Acorns Spend is not just some random app, it's a legitimate, regulated financial product. It has all the features you'd expect from a checking account. You can get your paycheck direct deposited, pay bills, and use your debit card for purchases. In summary, while Acorns itself isn't a bank, your Acorns Spend account is a real, legitimate bank account backed by a regulated FDIC-insured bank. It's a key distinction that gives you the best of both worlds, the innovative tech of a fintech app and the security of a traditional bank. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.